Alright, this will be a video on how to scale a drawing in Paperspace, how to scale a drawing in Paperspace. First thing you want to do, of course, is go over to Paperspace and then unlock the viewport by double-clicking on the inside. Once you unlock the viewport, you see the darker line around, you know it's unlocked, and by scrolling the center wheel, you can see that the drawing itself is moving compared to locking the viewport and scrolling the center wheel, the sheet of paper moves. So unlock the viewport, double-clicking on the inside, and then find the drawing that you want to present on the sheet and you want to scale. So right here is a example floor plan, and I'll position it by holding down the center wheel on the mouse, and I'm just positioning it, I'm not scaling it, and position it in place. And then I'll come down here to my scale factor, and right now this is a scale factor. It's not a proper or a common scale, so I need to do the pop-up selection. Here I have a selection of scales. The ratio scales are primarily for mechanical drawings. For mechanical drawings, we're going to use ratios in this class. This is for mechanical drawings. This is being an architectural drawing. We're going to use architectural scale, and we'll start off with 3/8, and it's a little bit too big, so let's take that down to 1/8 probably will be, or 1/4 should be about right. So 1/4, so I selected 1/4 over here. You can see the little check mark next to it. I selected 1/4, and that is what I would put in my scale box down here. 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot 0 inches. So now this is scaled. I can hold down the center wheel on my mouse and move it left or right without that scale changing. But as soon as I roll the center wheel, that scale now changes. So this is now out of scale again. So we can come back, select 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot, scale that up, and then hold down the center wheel, put it in position where I want it. And there again, 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot 0 inches. Lock the viewport now by double-clicking on the outside, zoom in, and right here I would go into my block editor, and under scale I would type in 1/4 of an inch is equal to 1 foot dash 0 inches. Just the way it appeared on the scale factor. And so once I do that, then I hit apply and OK, and now it shows up here in my title block. So that is how you scale a drawing in Paperspace. If you have any questions, please let me know as soon as possible. Any comments, please let me know those as well. Thanks so much for listening.